Hey guys, welcome to Tyson's Fitness Tips Podcast. If you want to lose weight, increase your energy, improve your health and fitness, and look your best, then you have come to the right place. My name is Tyson Brown. I'm a personal trainer, and my job is to help you transform your body by sharing with you the most up-to-date information on health and fitness. I'm going to distill it all down for you into bite-sized actionable steps that you can take immediately to see results quickly. Now, every Tuesday and Thursday, you can expect a brand new episode, which will be a mixture of interviews with top experts from around the world in the fitness space, and as well as solo episodes from myself, sharing with you exactly what action steps you need to take to transform your health, your body, and your life. And that means you are going to get information from all different areas in regards to mindset, nutrition, fitness, things you wouldn't even think that are associated with your health and fitness, but are going to blow your mind. So let's get into the episode. Hey, before we get into the episode, I just want to let you know my brand new book, Ditch the Diet, has just come out and I'm giving away a couple of free copies. So if you want to go into the draw to win a free copy, all you have to do is share this podcast on your Instagram. All you have to do is click the share button, go to Instagram, put it in your stories, and then tag at Tyson the Trainer, and you'll go in the running. All winners will get the free copy of my book sent straight to your door, and I'm telling you, this book will be a game changer. So that's, once again, all you have to do is make sure that you take a screenshot, you share this, and you tag me on Instagram, and you will go into the running. All right, let's get into the episode. Look, it's time we had to talk. It's the importance of preparing ahead of time, and it's a really good talk that I think it's going to be today, because I'm actually on the way home from doing my food shopping. So I'm walking home at the moment. It's Sunday morning. It is currently 8:40. I just spent the last half an hour in the shopping center. Could have taken me less, but I was actually comparing some different types of food, because I saw there's some new products in Woolworths. So I'm spending some time doing that because I like to nerd out on different type of nutritional statuses. And I just found this really high protein cottage cheese, low on carbs, low on fat. So I'm like, fuck yeah, I'm gonna try that. So I picked that up. But anyways, I thought this would be a really good video because you need to fucking man up. You need to say, you know what? I'm gonna spend 5% of my weekend preparing, because what one of my clients said to me the other day, he's a business owner, right? And it was really interesting what he said to me. We'll get back to the meal prep in a second, but this is gonna come full circle. So what he actually said to me, he said, Tyson, I follow the 5 P's of business. I said, 5 P's? What does that mean? He said, productive preparation prevents poor performance. Try to say that fast. Productive preparation prevents poor performance. And all that means is you've got to prepare ahead of time and be productive, and you're going to avoid poor performance. So how does this relate to health and fitness? Easy. If you don't prepare, you're going to fuck up. You are going to fail. You're going to struggle week by week because you don't prepare your meals, because you don't do those things you need to do that are going to provide you the best results, right? So let's think about this from a perspective when it comes to meal planning. Let's say you spend 2 hours at first, because you're not very good at meal planning, okay? Let's say you go and spend 2 hours going down to the grocery store, buying your food, coming back home, preparing your dinners or your lunches for the week. 2 hours. That's 5% of your weekend. You have 48 hours in a weekend. 5% can be spent on meal prep. That is nothing. That is nothing. And then when you get really good, it's going to take you an hour and a half. It's going to be faster when you get better. If you can't put in the effort to put 5% into going down to the grocery store, getting some groceries, going home, making some food for the week, preparing ahead of time, if you can't do that, then you deserve not to achieve your results, okay? I'm just gonna say it flat out, because if you aren't willing to put in 5% of the time to wake up a little bit, okay, look, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, there was no one in the shopping center. No one wants to be awake at 8 o'clock, right? So this is a perfect time. Even if you went out the night before and you got home at midnight, and now, I'm just watching for this traffic, and you got home at midnight, and it's now 8 o'clock in the morning, and you wake up and you go straight to the shopping center and no one else is around, and you come home and you do your meal prep, and by that time it's 9:30, it's 10 o'clock, guess what? 10 o'clock, people are just waking up and you've got the rest of your day to do whatever you want. When your friends are awake, you can go and hang out with them because it's now 10 o'clock. When you want to go and catch a movie, it's now 10 o'clock, the movies are open. On a Sunday, nothing is really open until 10 o'clock. So if you spend from 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. just doing some meal prep, just getting sorted for the week, the rest of your week is gonna be so much easier. Because how many times have you gone, nah, I'm not gonna meal prep, I'm gonna go do something else. I'm gonna go watch Instagram. I'm gonna go watch Netflix. I'm gonna go watch paint dry. Because let's be honest, meal prep ain't that fun, right? I get it. I'm a fucking fitness coach, meal prep ain't that fun. But I tell you what, you get that done, you put in that 5%, you know what you're avoiding? You are avoiding a week of struggle, a week of trying to fight temptation, a week of not seeing progress because you end up giving into the foods that you know you shouldn't have because you didn't prepare ahead of time. And it really is that simple. Spend 5% of your weekend waking up, going down to the grocery store, buying your food, coming back home, preparing it. Then it's 10 a.m. Then your friends are awake. Then they want to hang out. Then you've got the rest of the day to do whatever you want. So wake up and get it done early. Or you know what? Do it on a Saturday morning. It doesn't fucking matter. It's 5%, okay? So that's my little rant. That's my little thought of this morning. I want you to change your mindset about when it comes to meal prep and just get it started. You want something super easy? You want something really super simple? I'll tell you right now. Go down there, buy yourself some smoked salmon, buy yourself some canned tuna, buy yourself things you don't have to cook because that's even going to be faster. And the faster you do it, the faster you can get it done. You can't have amazing tasting food that's not going to take a lot of effort. So you've got to make the choice. Do you want to have amazing tasting food, put it in more time to meal prep, or do you just want to have something that's still going to taste good because you can add flavorings and sauces and things like that, but it's going to take less effort on your behalf? It's as simple as that. I've got a backpack. I've got 2 bags full of food, I'm going home, I'm going to meal prep, and it's gonna be 9:45 by the time I'm finished, and then I'm gonna go get on with my life and go have fun. Simple as that. All right, what I want you to do, comment down below. Do you meal prep? Are you gonna start meal prepping? Let me know. Hey guys, thanks so much for listening to the episode. I really appreciate it. Now, before you go, can you please do me one favor and go to the iTunes review and leave me a 5-star rating? That way it's going to help me reach more people with their health and fitness. And if you do that, whoever leaves a 5-star rating, I'll give you a free copy of my digital book. So all you have to do is just go get a 5-star, screenshot it, send it to me via Instagram at Tyson the Trainer, and you'll get a free copy of my digital book. Thank you so much, and I'll speak to you next time.